Thank you very much, Mr. Ferdinand F. Beltran, represented by the Central Board, A. Manisco. Years of hard work, years of struggle, of learning, of sacrificing to secure a better future, obtain a goal, and achieve a dream. Now it is time to harvest the fruit of all your hard work, your graduation day. It has been said that the quality of a person's life is in direct proportion to his or her commitment to excellence, which results in the sweetest fruits. It has been customary that during graduation rites, such as this, the school offers special awards in serving students who have shown exemplary performances in both academic and non-academic areas. And now, let us begin to the most important part of the ceremony. Dear graduates, this is the memory you have been waiting for. The distribution of the awards and diplomas.
Mag-graduate sana ngayon. Psychology yun. Kaso, wala na daw sa pangarap ng mama.
Now let us move on to the distribution of the diplomas to the graduates of Bachelor of Science and Accountancy. May I call on stage Ms. Michelle Faustino, Ms. Jennifer Taquera, Mr. Christian Dionardo, Ms. Pearl Locke, and Mr. Christian Anthony Flores to hand over the diplomas to our graduates.
Dito na lang talaga nila inayos.
And